working.
Fuck.
What are you doing?
It's already starting.
What the fuck? You're not even in the spot either. Look at him.
Nice.
Oh my lord.
Is that also a standard?
Yeah, that size only coming sick. Dude, that's darker than mine. Like, holy fuck, I have a tint on mine too, like Jesus. Actually, I should just go to the other exit, shouldn't I?
You gotta make a decision soon.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the other one.
Tom. Guys went like that. Oh my God.
Holy fuck, look at Buddy in the Accord whipping. Look. Jeez, bye. Look at him.
Yeah.
Fucking shit, man. Chill out.
Like a mom.
I know.
Do some work. Look at this Jimmy. Come on, Rusty Rims. Get moving. Fucking GMC head ass.
Beautiful truck, sir.
Oh my God. $100 grand. You don't even get a light for your car. They should fucking just knock down that cell tower.
There goes Rusty Rebel.
That's some GTA, right?
Yeah. Buddy steps on it every time I move. If I brake checked him, he's not hitting me. Like,
No.
he is hitting me.
Let him suing